Hello and welcome to the Dr. Lean Body YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like the content. Going to talk about glutathione today. It's spelled Glutathione. What is glutathione? It's the master antioxidant in the human body. It's the primary detoxifier and anti-inflammatory agent in every cell of the human body. It's made primarily in your liver. Yes, it is a natural substance that our bodies do make, although we do become deficient in glutathione production, which speeds up the aging process and leads to various chronic disease states. Glutathione is most well known for its role as an antioxidant or detoxifier. It helps bind to free radicals and prevents the reuptake of free radicals very efficiently. It's much more efficient than other antioxidants in the bodies, hence it's known as the master antioxidant. What are some natural sources of glutathione in our diets? Cruciferous veggies are a good source of glutathione. Fish and chicken, eggs, whey protein, flaxseed oil, milk thistle, all some good sources to help amp up the production of glutathione. It's made in our livers primarily, but it does function in every cell of the human body. It is essential in helping regulate the inflammation process, helping to support our immune systems and white blood cells to protect us from various pathogenic bacteria and viruses. What are some things that are associated with glutathione levels decreasing? Number one, aging process. As we get older, our glutathione levels go down. Poor nutrition is another factor that plays a role in decreased glutathione production. Not getting enough sleep, being stressed, chronically stressed. Both these things can lead to decreased glutathione production. Genetics is a big player. If you have a MTHFR genetic mutation, then you're going to have a deficiency of glutathione production because you don't methylate well. It's nice to know your MTHFR gene mutation status. You can always order your own test online and send us off to figure it out if you want to know. I think it's a great thing to know for everybody, because when you do have a MTHFR mutation, the homozygous mutation at certain sites are associated with more problems than others. Heterozygous is not as bad. Homozygous means you have two bad copies of a gene. Heterozygous means you have one bad and one good. When you have sufficient MTHFR mutation, you are more likely to have autoimmune disease. You're more likely to have cancers, and just have a hard time with detoxification and immune function, just more susceptible to a lot of health issues that folks that don't have MTHFR mutation issues in comparison. So it's a good thing to know, and if you do have an issue there, it is beneficial to supplement glutathione, because you're not going to make glutathione as efficiently. What are some of the other benefits of glutathione? It can be beneficial in folks that have fatty liver. It can improve insulin sensitivity. So for those folks that have insulin resistance issues, it can be helpful. It can help in folks that do have autoimmune disease, and folks that are chronically stressed, that do have high levels of inflammation. It can just help those patients deal with things a bit better. It can help reduce symptoms of Parkinson's patients. It can help decrease tremor and rigidity in those type patients. It can improve skin quality. It can improve memory and mental focus and clarity. This has been shown in those folks that have dementia, more likely to have lower levels of glutathione. It's also known to transport heavy metals out of cells, helps with the detoxification process. It's known to increase energy. It is involved in mitochondrial function, slows down the aging process. We've already talked about the immune system benefits. One of the benefits that's not talked a lot about with glutathione therapy, around here anyway, is the improved athletic performance and recovery benefits of glutathione supplementation. It can be very beneficial in helping decrease muscle fatigue, help improve recovery after intense workout. It can help promote muscle protein synthesis and growth. It can also help prevent joint and muscle pain, or help decrease the amount of muscle aches and pains, especially after a hard workout. So many benefits of glutathione. It's something that is worthwhile looking into. Supplementing. It can be supplemented in many ways. Orally, it can be given intravenously, it can be given intramuscular or subcutaneous injection. Oral routes of delivery would be best with the liposomal product for absorption, but oral absorption, of course, is going to be decreased in comparison to your intravenous or intramuscular routes of administration. The intravenous glutathione delivery is a bit expensive. It can be done. It's a little hard to go as often as you really benefit from getting it due to cost and time. Doing intramuscular or subcutaneous injection at home is a more efficient route, getting an effective dose and decreasing the amount of time you're spent in doctor's offices. Actually doing the injection at home by yourself. This is something that you can get from a compounding pharmacy. Is something that would have to be prescribed by a physician, of course. Something that I definitely help patients at Scroggins Family Medicine. Those folks that are interested in doing glutathione therapy, it's been shown to be very beneficial in multiple aspects of life and health. I definitely utilized it throughout the COVID pandemic to help support my immune system, help keep me from getting sick. Definitely exposed to lots of that over the past couple of years. And also beneficial in helping with decreased muscle soreness and joint pains associated with intense workouts. Those are some of the benefits here. I do have patients that use it in decreasing tremor. That seems to be helpful for them. Some folks that can tell a big difference in their just energy levels and mental clarity and focus. Some folks can't really tell as much of that in comparison to others. Everybody's going to be a little different. If you do know your MTHFR gene status, if you do have a problem there, then you're more likely to get more benefit from this type of supplementation. If you have really intense workout schedule, a lot of chronic stress, don't sleep well, then you probably would benefit from having a glutathione supplementation type regimen to help you deal with things and detox better. So that's my talk on glutathione, the master antioxidant. It's something we all have and make and utilize, just something that we would benefit from having more of in a lot of cases. So hopefully you enjoyed the content. Like I say, if you did, please like, share, and subscribe Dr. Lean Buddy on YouTube. And I'll be looking to bring more content about various subjects in the future.